Hello guys, namaste, welcome to our channel. My name is Gurpreet. So today's session is related with the chin stand. I hope you're gonna love this because I got lot of messages and comment on my last video which was on chin stand. And I thought let's make a new video with new tips what I am learning, and I should spread that with you also. So before I start, I'll just tell you, if you have a belt, yoga belt with you, you can keep it besides you. If you have props, any kind of yoga blocks or any kind of wheel, you can keep it besides you. So another thing what I wanted to tell you in the beginning is, please subscribe and like the channel if you are new to my channel. Because not only one topic we concentrate, we have made a lot of videos on different topics, so you're gonna love that. So let's get started. So before I tell you the drills, yoga drills, we'll do what not to do. Yeah, so if you will learn what not to do, so what you have to do, that will become easy. Okay, so let's start. You wanna come to your mat, and what not to do is, when you're placing your palms, and most of the people, they don't shift the body, all right, and they keep the elbow side and they keep the chin down and they start jumping like this. And believe me, it's very difficult, and they are like, why it is not happening? Everybody is doing chin stand, might be they are strong, they are having strong arm, chin is great. So it's not about that, it's just about the technique and drills. So what are the techniques here? First we will learn Ashtang Pranam. So in Ashtang Pranam, little bit changes we will do here. What kind of changes we'll do? So in Ashtang Pranam, we take the, important thing is, when you are spreading your fingers, you can just simply bend your, fingers little bit to get the support from gravity. It really helps us, yeah. And then take the position of plank, and we drop the knees, right? And then we do the Ashtang Pranam, right? But here we're not gonna do that. I know when you do your sun salutation, we do that, that's completely right. But here what we are going to do is, this is the position, right? Here you will drop your knees here. Did you understand what we have done? And after that you need to shift your body weight. All right, I want to repeat this thing again. First, in sun salutation, what do? You do this, drop, and then you go down, right? Here we're not gonna do that, yeah. This is kind of a sun salutation, Ashtang Pranam, but with little bit variation, yeah. So what was that? Again, look at this again. Now you're gonna drop little bit forward, yeah. And after that, I want you to shift your body weight. Right, we didn't shift before, but now in chin stand we are shifting. So we shift it, and then you place your chin down, and then you come up. Simple. So if you want to achieve something, make sure you don't stop after one round. You have to keep repeating that, right? So we're gonna do few rounds of this, and then we will move forward. So what's that? Again, we're gonna place it, and then shift the body weight, and then go down, come up. Simple. Go down, come up. Okay, let's do again few more rounds. Go down, come up. Let's do two more. Down and up. The last one, down and up. Simple. I hope first round is clear. It's very easy. It's kind of push-up, but we were doing in Ashtanga Pranam, right? Now the next thing is so make sure that your elbows should be inward. So I'll just explain you a little bit here. In Ashtanga Pranam, we keep it like that, right? And then we simply go down, right? So elbows are going out. I want you to keep it inward. All right, try to keep it inward so it can rest. Yeah, you will get some kind of support and length to go up. All right, this is the first option which I want to show. Later on, what I told you, this is some kind of belt, not exactly yoga belt, but you know, if you don't have props, don't worry about that. Don't stop. You have wall at your home. You have chunni, rupata, stall, any kind of stuff which you can use. All right, so this is some kind of strap. So here what I want you to do is just make the note and then simply keep it on your bicep. All right, this is quite big. Make sure this should be little bit small. Why? Because if you want to keep your elbows out, now this won't allow you to do that. So this is for that. All right, try. I'm not sure that maybe for some people the belt will be helpful. Maybe some people like, I don't want to use belt, and without belt it is happening. So everybody is having different body, and with different body you need to do some kind of experiment with that. Okay, so I'll show you the first one again. Keep it in your mind, guys, very important. Elbows inward, right? So now you're gonna shift your elbows inward and then you go down, right? So did you notice one thing? When I was keeping it side, I was able to go down more. Yeah, because I did not get any kind of height, right? When you will do it, you will experiences. That what I'm trying to say, because just watching the video and just looking at it, it won't help you. You need to do some kind of practical thing on your own, right? So after that, you know, most of the people, they jump, and jumping is great. I love jumping too, but the thing is, if you will learn the control, you will activate your muscles. Yeah, so in that, if you will do slowly with control, it will help you to utilize your arms, get some strength in your arms. Yeah, so do some kind of drills and techniques here, right? So here I'll just show you slow motion. This one, and then I'm keeping inward, then I'm placing my chin and I'm lifting my knee, walking and then jumping. Right, so initially what I did, I was practicing jumping, but not the faster jumping. It was in a control. So you do one thing here, do the jumping with the control, and later on you can do the final one and then take the position. Yeah, so do few rounds of that. Make sure you don't stop after one round. Try to do 2, 3 with the support, without the support. Don't stop like I'm able to do without support, so I'll do that. That's very good if you're able to do that. But what I will tell you, just for your own experience, you try with belt also. So you will get some kind of, you know, tips on your own also, that oh, this was happening with that and now this is happening without that. But listening and not doing that won't make it. So you have to keep doing it, and you know, we are doing practices online also, live classes, free classes, paid classes, free consultation. We have the website also, www.yoganiyam.com. You can go and fill the consultation form, free consultation form, and you can message us anytime if you have any kind of doubt, and if you feel like that I am doing different asana and can you explain me about that, we can do that also. Just please like and subscribe and follow us. Thank you so much.